It's another good morning that God has granted us. Today is 15th of June. Guys, we are celebrating our first anniversary, our first year on YouTube. And tunasema manzi, God ametubless. That's a great achievement, manzi. At least we have over 200,000 viewers. We have over 500 subscribers. And manzi, I feel humbled, manzi. My impression, manzi, tunachapa mamilioni moja, manzi. And guys, we are going the road to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you, you subscriber. Mwenye amenisubscribia, you my viewer, clients, my friends wote. Wacha niseme asante kwa sababu you have been great, you have been my viewers. Nyinyi ndio mmenitoa hadi mmenikafika mahali nimefika. I can say that may God bless you all. Awarid, awaongeze baraka. Na muendelee na maisha poa. And guys, those guys from the UK, US, India, manzi, you have been the pillar of this channel. Wacheni niwaambie thank you and thank you. Thank you and thank you again, manzi. Sikuwa idhania naweza fikia watu from UK, from US. By the way, you have been great. Na niwaambie mko tu sawa. And I thank you for the support. So guys, I wanted to do something presentable, but I had a lot of challenges. And wacheni niwaambie, I'm sorry manzi, sijakuwa nikuwekea content, sijakuwa nikishoot, and nimekuwa nikiwa fail, but from now on nitakuwa consistent. Wanasema aje? Consistent. I will be consistent and I will not fail you. So guys, continue subscribing. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Manzi, we are going to 1 million views. We are going to 1,000 subscribers. And we are going to come up with a new content. Tutakuwa tunakava our tools, the job from a special company. Manzi, tutakuwa tunachapa from a special company. So guys, if you unataka kununua tools za job, unataka nini, guys, watch from this video. Tutakuwa tunakava every Monday, tutakuwa tunaleta a new content on our tools na zenye tunatumia. So guys, niwaambiaje to my friends, my fans, my clients, my viewers, thank you and may God bless you all. Let's meet in the next video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.